Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus versus OnePlus 12. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus launched on October 2024. The price tag is not available at this time. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023. The price tag is $700. The body dimensions of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus: height 6.4 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The OnePlus 12 height 6.43 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 227 gram and the OnePlus 12 220 gram. The build: both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display type of these devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is same 6.82 inches. The resolution of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 1.5K and the OnePlus 12 is 2K screen resolution. The PPI density of OnePlus 12 is 510 and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 449. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio OnePlus 12 91.3% and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 89.1%. The screen production of OnePlus 12 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Huawei Colon Glass 3. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup of these devices: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and microscope, and it's a dual LED flash panorama HDR, and it's record 4K 120 FPS videos. The OnePlus 12 launch come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 48 megapixel ultra wide with hassle color calibration, dual LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of the device is the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 13 megapixel selfie camera and a TOF 3D sensor, biometric, panorama HDR and 4K 60 fps videos record. The OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera, panorama HDR and 4K 30 fps video record. The platform of the devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with the octa-core Cortex Titan Big 3.43 GHz CPU and the OnePlus 12 comes with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU and the chipset. Huawei comes with the Kirin 10003nm chipset and the OnePlus 12 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with Melon 931 GHz GPU and the OnePlus 12 comes with Adreno 750 GPU, and the operating system: OnePlus 12 comes with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14 operating system. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus Harmony OS 5.1. The memory setup of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 16 gigs of RAM and OnePlus 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM. The internal storage: Huawei comes with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The OnePlus 12 comes with 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup: OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 5200 mAh battery, and the both mobile come with 100 watt fast charging. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 88 watt fast wireless charging and the OnePlus 12 support 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the features in both devices: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1, IP68 dust and water resistant, and Huawei has Face ID and satellite via iOS systems. The result of these devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus got 23 points and the OnePlus 12 got 18 points.